Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to design this senator attire. This is the part 2. Please, the part 1 is in the link to the part 1 is in the description box. Just click on the description box, see the link to the part 1. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on subscribe and click on the notification bell. We drop video every week. Without further ado, let's go straight to the cutting. What you need to do is you fold your fabric into two, just fold it into two, and then here you measure 4 inch. This is the folded part, please don't forget. 4 inch by 3.5. 3.5. Okay, 3.5. 4 inch by 3.5. So all you just need to do, just take your ruler where you mark and just slant the shape, slant it. Take your scissors and you cut. All right. Now we've gotten the triangle. You keep it aside, okay? Keep it aside. We'll come back to it. Now this shirt, looking at this shirt, what we need to do is, the triangular design will be placed in between here and in between here, okay? And then how do you determine how many of these, okay, you are to produce, okay? All you just need to do is, now if you look at the design, there's space between where they join the front and the back bodies together. There is space, and so the space I'll be taking is 2.5. As you can see, 2.5. This 2.5, that's the space. Okay, so my triangular design will start from here, and I want to dim my triangular design. Okay, it is folded this way. I want to make the width 3 inch. So you determine the numbers of width that you produce from it by making mine 3 inch. Okay, after folding this way, 3 inch. And so what I need to do from this 2.5, I'll mark 3 inch. Okay, then if you look at the design as well, the design also have a space between each triangle. So I'll take mine to be 1.5. Okay, between two triangles is 1.5. So this is from the 1.5. Now I'll mark 3 inch. Okay, that means I have two triangle now. Two triangle. All right, give 1.5. 1.5. Then 3 inch. 3 inch. Okay. 1.5. 3 inch. 1.5. Okay. Then 3 inch. Okay. Here my fabric is almost, you can see my fabric here. My fabric here is almost to the hem here. Okay, when I fold my hemming, I gave almost a 2 inch allowance for hemming. Okay, so when I fold, look at the distance between my hemming and this. Look at the distance. Okay, and so our design will end here. Okay, our design will end here. And so let's count how many of them. It means I'll cut how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. This is the 5th one. So it is 5 of this triangle that I'll cut. 5 of this triangle. All right, I'll cut 5 of this triangle. And so cutting 5 of this triangle, after cutting the 5 of this triangle, Now if you notice in the design, we also have a navy blue attached to it that is showing. Okay, all we just need to do is cut 5 pieces of this, place it on top a navy blue fabric, and cut 5 also of this, using this to produce 5 of the navy blue. So we have, at the end, we have 5 navy blue, we have 5 of these fabric. Altogether they are 10. Okay, once I'm through cutting them, I'll show them, I'll display them for you to see. All right, this is my navy blue triangular piece, and this is also this. And so what you do, right side to right side of the fabric to the right side. Okay. All you just need to do is, now what you do is, so measure from here to here as ½ inch, measure from here to here as ½ inch. So you sew from here now, from this ½ inch you sew it down. Okay, ½ inch you sew it down to this side. Okay, once I'm through sewing it, I'll show it to you. All right, as you can see, I'm through stitching it. All I just need to do is take it to a pressing table, press here with iron. Okay, you can use steam iron to press it, and then open it, turn it the other side like this, and then you press it all around. Okay, after doing that, I'll show you the result. You can see I'm through pressing it. All you just need to do is open this, put hemming gum, your hemming gum, just open one of them, put your hemming gum inside, okay, and press it. Okay, that's what I did here. All right, I've pressed it, you can see. And so the next thing to do is, if you look at the design, this is how the design looks like. All right, go ahead and fold each side just as it is displayed on the screen. As you can see it on the screen there, fold both sides, and you make sure you put your pressing pieces on top of this, and you iron with steam iron. Make sure you use steam iron, or you sprinkle water on top of it and iron it. As you can see, it's 3 inch at the end after folding, but if you want to make it 2.5, fine, it's your design. You can position it the way you want, the width that you want, the desired width, you can actually get it. So just place iron on it and iron. When I'm through, I'll show you. All right, as you can see, I'm through folding it. Okay, all we just need to do is place it, open this part, the part we marked. Okay, just place it. Okay, you can just put hemming gum. You can put hemming gum here, a hemming gum to make it stay for now. Okay, when you are through with the whole process, then you say, so all you just need to do, put a hemming gum to gum it. All right, and then whatever you've done here, repeat the other the same. Okay, and follow it down. Okay, leaving 1.5 inch between, so the next one will be 1.5. The difference between this and this will be 1.5. Okay, you place it the same way, and so the other till the 5th one. Okay, when I'm through, I'll show you. All right, as we can see, that I've done this already. Okay, then the next one is the rope that
passage through these knots. Okay, what we just need to do, just cut. You can measure, use your tape to measure round this way with the curve. Use your tape to measure round like that. Okay, use your tape to measure round this way. You can see this is enough. Right? When I used my tape to measure round this, it gave me like 34 and I had 1 inch or 2 inch to it. So what we need to do is take this to the sewing machine. Okay, fold it right side to right side like this, and sew with just 1/4 inch. No, this is 1/2 inch. Yeah, folding it together now is 1/2 inch. This is 1/2 inch. And so what I need to do is I'll sew with 1/4 inch down, and then when I'm through, I'll show you. Alright, as you can see, I've sewn it, okay, with 1/4 inch, as you can see, and here I closed here so that all you just need to do is so that you can use your broom. Now what you need to do, pick your broom and push it through to pass through this. Let it go inside. Alright, when I'm through, what I mean is that take a broom or a spoon or a tiny end, make this go inside, okay, and pass it through and make it pass through this way. Okay, please use a broom. A broom is a tiny broom, right? It will enable you to bring it out. Once I'm through, I'll show you. Okay, as you can see, this is now the rope. This is the rope. Alright, this is the rope. All you just need to do is you can decide to iron it. Make sure you iron it. Take it to the next step. So the next step is the last step. This is the last step. Okay. You open this a little. Okay. And then you pass it through. Right, as you can see, this is it. All I just need to do is take it to my machine. I'll stitch a tiny stitch at the edge, stitch it down, 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 and down to this point. Also here, I'll stitch it down, and down to this point. Okay. All right. With this, you are through with the design. As you can see, it is beautiful. Okay. All right. If this video has been of help to you, please click on like. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Are there points I need to work on? Are there points I did not touch, I did not explain? Please drop it at the comment section. I'll be there to receive your comment. Alright? Thank you very much, and see you in our next video. Don't forget to share this link in your social media account. Alright, bye-bye.